Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me again. I'm Dauna and this is my art channel. Happy New Year! I hope you had a lovely celebration and this year will be your year. So I have created this painting and I'm in love with the pearl colors. So I'm doing it now today on a 40 by 100 centimeter canvas with a black base, and I would like to create a sort of web design. I have it on my spinning table and this time I'm gonna spin it out. Normally it did not work for me because my paint is very liquid and I'm mixing it only with water, and then the effects are just not beautiful. But this time I decided to do it a little bit different and hope this will work out. And these pearl colors are so interesting and I can't wait to see how the end result will be in this painting. So let's get started. Alright, so as you probably can see, I have scraped off already paint, and that's this. It was a black base with some pearl and metallics, and it's perfect to go again. I won't be pouring the base fully first, just here and blow out my pearl colors and see how that looks, and I can always spin it out. I think that could be super interesting. So I will just create a little bit of a base in the middle. And I want a sort of web effect. And I have here a pearl green. And then between the pearl colors I will pour just a little bit of the base color, because the pearl colors work perfectly on a dark base. Let's add there a touch of phthalo green as well. And some more of the pearl blue, because I love the pearl blue. Then let's add more black. Some pearl blue again. A little bit of black. And then I'm gonna blow that out. Alright, I will blow this out. I want a sort of web effect, like I said. Let's see if it works out now. I hope you see it from that angle there. But this pearl blue is just stunning. It's so beautiful. Oh, from there and from here it looks like nothing, but this is beautiful from my end. And let's just spin this a little bit. One more, and then I'm gonna make the base color. I think think it's beautiful. Yeah, that is beautiful. I will show you very soon the close-up, because this is something you really need to see from this end, to see all the blue and green shades. I'm loving the pearl colors, really. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Alright, torch it real quick and then I'll give you the close-up. Oh. I'm really loving this. Alright, close-up time. Whoop! Here it is, dry and varnished. And see these beautiful colors. You really need to see this in different lights. And that makes those pearl colors with the dark background so interesting. Because I look from here, then it looks so minimal, but also beautiful, right? But then if you come closer, you're able to see all the beautiful colors in it. It's a perfect web. I'm loving this. I would love to hear what you think about the pearl colors and these kind of paintings. And also the technique that I used. I will create another one with different pearl colors, because I think it's so interesting to work with these colors. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time.